Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the host and scheduled time because the passcode often ties to that meeting. Next, open Zoom and make sure the app is updated. Outdated clients can hide passcode prompts. If you are joining via browser, choose the same meeting link the host sent. Once done, prepare the host's contact method, email or phone, so you can request the code quickly if it's not displayed or if the link redirects. You now try the direct retrieval steps. First, open the original invite or calendar event and scan for the passcode. Hosts often paste it there. If that fails, click the Join button from the link. The passcode may appear in the pop-up or be embedded in the URL after pwd equals. Also sign in to Zoom, go to Meetings Upcoming. If you're added as a panelist or alternative host, the passcode is visible. Make sure to copy exactly. You finish by pasting the passcode into Zoom's Join dialog and pressing Enter. This connects you when the code matches precisely. If Zoom rejects it, make sure you removed extra spaces and matched uppercase and lowercase letters. Passcodes are case-sensitive. Alternatively, try joining using the full URL that includes pwd equals. That bypasses manual typing errors. If problems persist, contact the host and request a fresh link or a reset passcode. They can regenerate it in the meeting settings, which resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.